Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Cody Sperber, the Clever Investor here, and today in this video I want to talk about the 3 most important ingredients, in my opinion, to becoming a successful entrepreneur. Let's talk about it. All right, so check this out. I want to talk to you today about the 3 most important ingredients into becoming a successful entrepreneur. We're actually here in Tampa, Florida. I just got done speaking at an event, and it was awesome. And I'm super motivated right now, so I just wanted to shoot this video. And let's talk about becoming successful as an entrepreneur. All right, first off, the 3 key ingredients are intention, commitment, and enthusiasm. Intention, commitment, and enthusiasm. So let's talk about intention first. When you have intention, that means you have a commitment and a focused aim or goal that you're trying to accomplish. You're not out winging it. You're not, wishy-washy, changing directions all the time. You are intent on accomplishing something for yourself. Intention's really important because I see new entrepreneurs make the mistake all the time. They don't have a lot of confidence in the beginning. They haven't taken the time to really assess who they are, what their core competencies or skills are, what goals they want to go after, their short-term goals, their mid-range goals, their long-term goals. And every time they get a new opinion, every time they hear about a new money-making strategy, they're constantly changing directions. You have to have intention, and it has to be intense intention if you ask me. So my best recommendation is for you to write down, start journaling what it is you want to accomplish in life. Don't go too far out, don't do a 5-year game plan, but you should model out the next 90 days of your life. Exactly what you want the outcome to be. What do you want it to look like? What do you want to feel like? Do you want to have more health and wealth and happiness in your life? Well, then you got to go to the freaking gym. You got to get serious about business. You got to start dressing the part. You might not be there yet. There is an element to being an entrepreneur when you're brand new of faking it till you make it, right? But you have to have this intense intention of what you want to accomplish. Because I promise you this, and you've heard me say this before, winging it is not a strategy. Nobody wants to follow somebody wishy-washy, right? People want to get behind people that have a clear, focused intention, all right? It's compelling to them. It feels good to them. And that leads me perfectly into the number 2 piece of advice I have for entrepreneurs, and that's commitment. Getting committed, and you got to ask yourself this question: what are you committed to? Getting committed isn't something you say, it's not something you tweet, it's not a post on social media. It is you looking in the mirror, getting so freaking raw and real with yourself. You can BS everybody around you and lie to everybody else. You can trick your parents, you can trick your best friend. But when you look in the mirror, you know whether or not you're committed or not, right? I'm talking about almost to an obsession. You have to be that committed to your success if you want to be successful. Success cannot be an option. It needs to be an obligation. That kind of commitment. The kind where you can't sleep at night. The kind where you want to work through lunch and you don't give a shit about going out with your friends anymore. Screw playing video games. It's all about the first part, right? Ready? You've heard me say this before. Leadership and growth is knowing the way, going the way, and then eventually showing the way. Knowing the way, that first part, all the learning, all the internalization, all of that self-education, that first part takes a massive amount of commitment, right? So what are you committed to? Write it down. Get that intention. Know exactly where you want to go in life. Stop winging it. Stop worrying about everybody else's thoughts and their opinions. When somebody else says, oh, I've tried that, it doesn't work, or who do you think you are? You don't have enough money to start your own business, or you'll never live in that house over there. That's for rich people. You're not good looking enough. Why would you ever think that you're gonna find love? Whatever BS opinion or story they're telling you, that's nothing more than their own self-limitations manifesting and projecting onto you. That's not real, man. And you know the truth. You know when you look in the mirror what you're capable of. And if you're not living up to your full potential, it's time to get that intention and it's time to get committed. People love committed people because right now, if there's a lot of toxic negativity going on out in the world. There's a lot of unhappiness. There's a lot of uncertainty. So when somebody finds somebody and sees somebody pop out in the crowd that's not living an average life, that's actually kicking butt, and they see the commitment, they see the intention, they go, wow, that's kind of sexy. That's cool. I want some more of that. That actually leads me to my third piece of advice, which is enthusiasm. Listen, I'm not the best marketer in the world. I'm not the best entrepreneur in the world. I'm not the best salesperson in the world. I'm not the best real estate investor in the world. Okay, maybe I'm one of the best real estate investors, but I am the most enthusiastic about whatever it is I'm into. I become so obsessed, so into it, I am the loudest megaphone in my business. I'm all about branding and marketing my business. And if you don't feel that way about whatever you're doing, you really have to assess your situation and make sure you're living your life's purpose and you're doing what you truly love to do. Because I can't help but sharing my passion for real estate investing with other people because of what it's done for me and my family. It was a game changer. The fact I got off the sidelines of life, I got into the game. No, screw that. I didn't even get into the game. I bought the team. I became the ref. I wrote the rules. I like literally created the whole thing where I control every piece of it. And I'm so enthusiastic about because of the outcome I've experienced, the freedom, the capabilities, the joy. I can go on vacations. I can spend unlimited time with my friends and family. I could do fun, crazy, cool stuff. I'm never stressed about money anymore, right? And it's the greatest feeling in the world, so why wouldn't I share it with everybody, right? That is enthusiasm. And when you start mixing intention, commitment, and enthusiasm together, you get that blend. It is so exciting for other people. They start gravitating towards you, and here's what happens. You are able to enroll them into your vision. Follow me. You're able to enroll them into your vision, and all of a sudden something happens. They start aligning behind you. And 1 + 1 = 3. Then 3 + 1 = 8. Then 8 + 1 = 50. And you start getting this velocity. And all of a sudden, you start getting momentum. And when you have momentum and every day you feel progress, you start experiencing more happiness. Think about that for a second. What if, at a moment's notice, you can snap your fingers, change your state, create that feeling, get that momentum going, manifest that enthusiasm, get clear intentions, get freaking committed for the first time in your life, have everybody around you start surrounding you, supporting you, and getting behind you, and a year goes by with all that energy, 5 years goes by with all that energy, 10 years goes by with all that energy, and all of a sudden, you've created a legacy, something that helps your generation, something that makes a real difference. Wouldn't that be the best feeling in the world? 3 things. 3 things. All right? That's my thought. That's my thought of the day. What'd you guys think? Did you like this video? Leave a comment down below. Tell me your thoughts on what other key ingredients it takes to becoming a successful entrepreneur. Leave a comment. Who knows, I might even pick one and read it on one of my next videos or create another video about it. That's all I have. It's your boy Cody Sperber, the Clever Investor. I'm signing off for now. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, comb your hair, peace.